my name is Imani, and I decided that I'm gonna be saying that in my intro so you guys can know what my birth name is. As you can see from the title of this video, we're gonna be doing a no mess glitter Valentine's Day look. So yes, I was super excited about Carnival, and I asked on my story what other Carnival looks people wanted to see, and I got very good feedback. People wanted black and red, green and yellow, blue and yellow, orange, you know, very vibrant colors. Then I remembered, oh, Valentine's Day is coming up. Now, if this is your first time watching The Beat, welcome. And if this is not your first time, you already know what it is. Okay. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, put your bell on for notifications. You can like this video in the beginning or the middle or the end, whichever floats your boat. But let's jump into this look, okay? So the first thing I want to talk about in this tutorial is a brush set that I received from a lovely company called MOTD Cosmetics. So MOTD reached out to me and they were like, we want you to try our brushes. And I was like, yes, I want to try your brushes. I've been seeing them on Instagram a lot lately. So I was like, okay, yes, I would love to try your brushes. So they sent this beautiful 7-piece eye brush set. It's called the I Can't Even exclusive eye makeup brush set. Apparently these are 7 of their newest brushes. The brush set actually launches today, so I will have a link in the description bar that you can purchase. And also I want to let you know that the code that I give you is an affiliate code, so I will make a small percentage if you do decide to use the code. Okay, so why I wanted to introduce it at the beginning of the tutorial is because I am gonna brush up my brows with this Brow Chica Wow. So what is so cool about these brushes is that it tells you what the brush does on the brush. So like this one says Seamless Sheer Blend, and it's written in a beautiful rose gold, so you know it is really to blend out that crease. So that's a really cute feature of these brushes. Let me tell you a little bit about them. So they are PETA certified, cruelty-free, vegan. They are made out of Tarte, which is a high-grade synthetic polyester fiber that mimics animal hair. It's hypoallergenic and antibacterial since they are non-porous, unlike animal fur. They dry quicker than animal hair, and it's suitable for all skin types, including those with skin sensitivity. So I think that these brushes are very well made. They are rose gold, which I love. I love the color combination. They look very sturdy. So I'm very excited to use them in this tutorial. Okay, so I am not gonna ramble on anymore. So I'm using the Brow Chica Wow. This one is dual-sided. It comes with the spoolie end, and then it comes with an angled side for you to do your brows if you use a gel product to do your brows. So I feel like you could even do your liner with this. It's thin enough to do liner. So now that I've brushed my brows up, I'm just going to quickly fill them in with my Jordana Best Liner for Brows and Eyes. To cover my brows today, I'm actually going to be using Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep, and I'm using the Under the Covers brush, and I'm loving this. So guys, I've been on the hunt for like a cut crease brush. I feel like this is going to be the perfect cut crease brush. Wow, I forgot how quickly Shape Tape dries. Like, blend it out quick, sis. Yo, these brows that I have are cousins. No matter how I try, this one is just so high. It's so high. I don't know why it's so high up. Like, I'm trying to get this one to get up there, but it's not cooperating. Okay, so let's just leave the cousins alone. All right, so how we're gonna get our shadow to be mess-free glitter is by using this PUR Quick Pro glitter. It is a 3-in-1 formula with a built-in applicator that can be used as a primer, a base, and a top coat. I'm gonna swatch a couple of them on my hands just to show you how they perform. PUR did send this to me to review a while ago, but yeah, I thought it was appropriate for Valentine's Day. That is it. I don't know if that swatch is really doing it justice. This color is called Lust. This next shade is called Namaste. That's a cute name. It's pretty thick, but it dries down to like a matte-ish consistency. So that's Nama Slay right there. That's like a peachy gold. And then the last one I'm gonna swatch is called Queenie. This is like a yellow gold. So that's the gold right there called Queenie. So we'll see how we feel as we go along in the tutorial. I'm gonna start off with the Juvia's Place palette, Saharan 2. This is becoming my favorite palette, y'all. I'm gonna go in with the MOTD brush and build and blend. I just love that these brushes tell you what they do, so there's no like guesswork. Okay, so I'm gonna go into Taza, right? So we're building and we're blending. Wow, that picked up this pigment so nicely. I don't have another brush that does this. Okay. All right, MOTD. Wow, that kind of just like adhered to the brush and then placed it so nicely on my skin. Then I'm gonna go in with Zora. Since I dipped the build and blend brush into that ready color, I'm gonna go in with the Seamless Sheer Blend to just add some more of Taza and blend out the red shadow even more. No harsh lines at all, like whatsoever. And I'm using circular motions. Y'all, I'm like obsessed with these brushes. For real. For reals. I didn't think I would be so excited, but they're performing so well. Now I'm gonna go in with Fez and I'm using Come Through Contour, and that is really to shape my eye on the outer corner. So yes, you can have a contour eye brush. That is to deepen up the contours of your eye. So I'm just gonna place Fez right on the corner here and blend that out. Okay, Fez is not deepening the crease as much as I want. So I'm gonna go into the Sahara 1 palette and I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's called Chad, and that is what I'm gonna use to deepen up my crease. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Sultry smudge brush for my brow bone highlight. I'm going in with Aziza from the Saharan 2 palette. Now I wouldn't necessarily use a brush like this for my brow bone highlight. Let's just see if it works. It works. I think I'm gonna go with Nama Slay. That is this kind of peachy color right here. Let's see. Okay, I could use this. Wow, this is nice. I'm working in small sections. Sometimes I don't know like how high I should go with my cut crease. Sometimes it's like small, sometimes it's bigger. I think I want to go a little higher. Okay, I really like this. And the applicator is doing well too. And it looks like glitter. Wow. I'm gonna do the next side. So I'm gonna take the smudger brush and kind of just smudge the edges a little bit, just so that they're not that perfect on the end here. Just kind of blending into the darker brown. Let's move on to the face. I've been priming my face lately. It's winter time and I am just like super dry. So I'm gonna be trying the BECCA Backlight priming filter. So this is more than just a primer. It's a secret behind the iconic BECCA glue. Infused with 3 unique filtering luminescent pearls, each one adds a different drop of diffused light. Ooh, blurs imperfections and gives skin a healthy luminescent glow. And this is how it looks. I was sent this by BECCA. I was also supposed to review their Ultimate Coverage Foundation, but the shade that I got was just so off that I couldn't review the product. But I am gonna review this Backlight. Wow, it smells nice. Oh my god. Look at what the fallout did. Oh my gosh. That's okay. I'm gonna use it as color corrector. Not that I need it, but wow. Oh my god. Okay, so this primer dries down really quickly. So I would recommend to blend it out as soon as you put it on your face. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with my tried and true Fenty foundation. Alright? Like never lets me down. Ever. Point blank period. Alright, and then Fenty Beauty Concealer to set, Cashew. The smell of this is actually divine. After I do this step, I look so powdery, but trust me guys, it's a process, and at the end, we're gonna look very beautiful and luminous, don't worry. And then for highlight, I actually was sent another cute little package from BECCA. This was around the holiday time as well. And it's an ornament, and you wouldn't believe what it has in there. It's a miniature champagne pop. y'all know I love Jaclyn Hill, okay? And I actually already have Champagne Pop. I have it in this palette right here. I'm gonna be taking my Suva Beauty 180 brush. Does not disappoint. So this highlight is a very champagne-y. So I like to mix it with a shade that is a little more bronzy. This one is Topaz. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of Topaz with it. Yup, winning combo. Okay, lashes are on. I use the Koko lashes style in 9 to 5. These are becoming one of my favorite lashes of all time. So I'm gonna go in with Queenie. I want to do an inner tear ducts highlight, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of it on my hand and go in with the Masterpiece crease, and I'm using this like a pencil brush. You know what, in the future, that is how I will use this shadow. I would use a brush to apply it so that it could dry down quicker and it won't like be spilling everywhere, because now that it's drying down onto my eye, it's kind of like falling, you know, particles are falling onto my face. So I think if I just use a brush next time instead of the applicator that comes with it, that probably would alleviate the glitter falling down. So I'm gonna clean off that brush that I just used, the Masterpiece crease, and use that to just put some shadow on my bottom lash line. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's called Zora on the bottom lash line. And I'm gonna go in with Taza and just blend that out. So for lips, I also received a beautiful lipstick from BECCA. It is the Ultimate Lipstick Love, and this shade is called N Chocolate. It actually smells really nice. I didn't think I would like this color as much as I do now that I have it on with this look. I think I'm just gonna top it off with a gloss from Anastasia. This is called Warm Bronze. My bestie Tiara got this for me for Christmas. I am loving this combo. Okay, so the last thing that I'm going to do is just spray my face with the Eve Lum Radiance Mist. And I'm doing this, guys, because the winter just has my skin so dry. So I wanted to use a luminescent primer, and I want to use a Radiance Mist so that my face wouldn't be feeling dry and crusty. Okay. Oh, that already feels so good. I didn't think this look was gonna come out as good as it did. I don't know why, but I am really happy with how this look turned out. Let me just change into something more Valentine's Day. Okay guys, so we are at the end of the video. I know at the beginning I was like, no mess glitter. The glitter did start to peel off a little bit. I think that is because I used the applicator that came with the glitter. In the future, I would use a brush to apply this so that I make sure it's a thin enough coat so that glitter is not falling on my face when it starts to dry. Okay? But all in all, I love these glitters from PUR. I will have a link in the description box where you can find the glitter. I really like it. I think it is very good. I think if you don't like glitter, this will be a very good alternative to get the glitter look without the mess. Hallelujah. Whoever came up with liquid glitter, like, kudos to you, man, because you're saving lives out here. Just kidding. You're just making it easier for us enthusiasts to get our makeup done. So thank you. I'm overall very pleased with the MOTD brushes. I think that these are going to be a staple brush set in my routine. My code is LABEAT. So if you would like to purchase these brushes that I used today, the link will be in the description box below. You guys know that you can follow me on my social media platforms. It's la.beat on Instagram and on Snapchat, and the Beat Inc. on Facebook and Twitter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I gave you a little inspiration on a look that you can do for Valentine's Day. Don't forget, all the products that I use will be in the description box below. And without further ado, have a good night, guys. Bye!